小心不要撞到自己的手跟脚啊。Ready, set, go!
Whoa! Whoa! Start at the wall.
Okay.
Please wait. Somebody hold this teacher.
Okay. All the way back to the wall. Pull it back to the wall there. Wow. Ready, set, go.
Whoa! Uh-oh.
机器学，机器人学，会怎么做机器人？
Can somebody give me an example in real life what robots or robotics is existing today?
谁可以解释给他一下？你怎么实际上你可以怎么可以
把椅子去。
Oh, a starting point. Nice. Oh. Wow, that's cool. That is very nice. Good job. Good job, buddy. Crazy 8. Nice.
I think I got it working.
We're making lemonade game items. At Shoreline Village in Long Beach, California. Part of the challenge, make lemonade game items. So they use the visuals and they make lemonade game items using the visuals, or they simply create their own vision using lemon as the impetus, the inspiration. If they have a missing part, then we make it up by giving our lemonade ticket.
OK， 所以如果你有失踪的零件的话，他们就会给你这个用这一票换，所以他们会给你一柠檬水，就一个长果的
So
常备给你。
So keep the lemonade ticket with the bill in your
所以
in your crate
苹果跟这一票那个留在你的箱子里面，
and put it in your satchel.
把那个箱子放在你的书包里。